Hi, in last video I have shown you how to convert your uppercase to the lowercase and lowercase to the uppercase using my transformation case converter. Now I will show you another format of this transformation. Now my first format will be toggle, that will convert your lowercase to uppercase characters and uppercase character to the lowercase. Now let's start with this. I will select my case converter transformation, go to the properties, add one more strategy here, toggle, input will be notes, output will be toggle, and my conversion type here will be toggle, and delimiter will be space. Finish. Now you can connect this with the expression transformation to see your results. Now you can select your expression transformation and run data wave. Now you can see in the output I am having only my nodes and toggle nodes. I am not in output, I am not seeing my uppercase and lowercase. How you can choose this? You can go here, click on choose. You can, if you want to see uppercase also, you can move it on this side that is selected, and these are the available outputs. Now if you don't want to see uppercase here, you can just move it back to the available. Now in the output you will see only nodes and toggle. Now in this you can see my first sentence. First, the T is small, but in the output I am getting T as a capital. Then second letter here is T is capital, but in the output I am getting small t. So it is converting your uppercase character to the lowercase and lowercase characters to the uppercase. Now let's try another format for this. Select your case conversion transformation, go to the properties, strategies. I will add one more strategy, that will be title. Input will be notes again, output will be title, case conversion will be title case. You can see these are the 5 conversion types. So I am doing my 4th conversion type, that is title case. I am not selecting this leave uppercase words unchanged, and my delimiter here will be space. You can finish. Finish. Then you can select here. Now you can connect your title with expression transformation. Now to see the result, you can go to the data viewer tab or click run here on the expression. Make sure you have selected your expression transformation here. Now you can see this. Now you are also seeing the results of toggle. Now you can remove the toggle from the output, select toggle and move it to the available side. Now in the output you can see notes and title only. Now you can see title. Now here my delimiter is comma, so it is converting first letter of each word to the capital. Now in this case you can see is, the first letter in this output is capital and S is small. And in case of behave, you can see my first letter is capital. Now in case of buddy also, my buddy is capital, but in this output my first letter is only capital, the rest of the letters are small for each word. Now let's try with this. make some manipulations here. Go to the properties, select your case conversion transformation, go to the strategies, properties, change the delimiter to none. Now to change the delimiter to none, you can unselect all these options. Okay, now here my delimiter is none. Okay, click, go to the expression transformation, click on run data view. Now you can see here, as my delimiter is none, so only first letter of each sentence is capital only. As my delimiter is none, so it is taking whole sentence as a word, as there is no delimiter, so it will take whole sentence as a single word. So here delimiter will make changes in the output. Now let's start with the last conversion type, that is my sentence type. Select your case converter transformation, select your this transformation, go to the properties, add one strategy here. Strategy will be sentence, input will be notes, output will be, you can give any name here, sentence. Then you can select your conversion type will be sentence case, and my delimiter will be space. Next, finish. Now you can see your sentence here. You can connect with this sentence with the expression transformation. You can select this. Now you have connected your sentence with the expression transformation. Then you can select your expression transformation and click on run data view. Now if you don't want to see title, now let's first see with the title. Now you can see this. Now you can see in this case also the first letter of each sentence is capital only, rest of the letters are small. So sentence will work same as a title conversion type with delimiter is equal to none. Now if you will keep in title conversion type, your delimiter will be none, it will work same as a sentence. Sentence will also do convert your first letter of each sentence into a capital, the rest of them will be in the lowercase. Now these are the 5 conversion type that you can have in this case conversion transformation. I hope you like this video. Thank you and have a nice day.